Hi teacher, this is my presentation Healthy Habits. My name is Anna Fransheska. Number 1. Staying active. Number 2. Enough sleep. Number 3. Eat fruits. Number 4. Eat vegetables. Number 5. Fingernails clean and trimmed. Number 6. Showering every day. Number 7. Washing our hands. Number 8. Drink water. Number 9. Brushing our teeth. Number 10. Exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Thank you teacher for watching my video. Bye.